now, by popular demand, we have the Kuro King. Now, I can't do an official out-of-box video because, sorry guys, I've already opened the box. But I will go through the entire kit because this truck has drawn a lot of interest. It showed up in marketing photos about a year ago, and a lot of us weren't even sure if it was ever going to get manufactured and shipped, but here it is. I got mine from tiny4x4.com. They're an online UK store that I've bought maybe 4 or 5 different times from, and I've been happy and everything's come through successfully. Now back to the truck. This is a 2-speed transmission with differential lock, 4x4, 1/24 true scale, and it is an awesome kit so far. Let's take a peek. When I was looking at the instruction manual, it's nice and clean. The translation is, for the most part, pretty good. But I did notice that because the chassis and the axles are already assembled, this is only going to be like 25 to 30% of the building process. 70% of your work is going to be spent putting the body together. So that's going to be a different change of pace. A couple things that don't belong in the kit. This is one of the servos that I had to actually purchase off of Amazon because they did not have it in stock. Here's Tiny 4x4's logo, and they threw in a couple cones for me. Some other things I ordered from their website, the electronics and some body parts. But this is what actually comes in the kit. It's labeled pretty clearly, bag A, bag B, bag C. Bag A, we've got the body. This is resin cast. It's super clean, smooth, and durable. So that's kind of awesome. Now, I said a second ago that the kit was pretty much 70% assembling the body. And I'm pretty eager to drive this. So I'm pretty lucky because about 7 years ago, I bought a little D90 body from Samsung. And this is the exact same size and fits the truck. I already checked out the chassis when I opened it up earlier. So once I get the truck assembled, I can snap this body on it and put some videos up right away on how well the truck handles. And then I can take my time putting together the body that came with it. Bag B are just more parts for the hard body shell, lenses, windows, things like that. Bag C, we have all the hardware, transmission, wheels, tires. I'm sorry, I'm not going to open this right now. You'll have to wait for the full build video. But what most people want to check out is the chassis. Now, it's pretty lightly packed, and that's okay with me. I don't like to waste a lot of packaging. And it looks amazing. If you've looked at the website, it has 1,000 different photos of it already. And what I can add to those photos is that the plastic is very hard, very durable. It is metal, although I don't know what kind. I've tugged on the differential locks there, and they do lock the differentials into place. And so far, I've been extremely happy with just the looks of it. The articulation seems to be pretty extreme, although I understand, we're still missing suspension. We saw on the website also the photos of the sliding chassis. It's pretty nice. You don't have to adjust the links. You would just have to adjust your drive shaft. So yeah, guys, this is going to be a really fun kit to play with because when you go to the stores and you see those 1/24 and 1/25 scale models and you try to shove those onto something like an SCX 24, although that doesn't look bad, overall it looks comical. That's just not the right size. But if you take this truck, which is a 24th scale Mercedes G-Wagon Dracar edition, stretch the chassis out a little bit, and you've got yourself a perfect fit. So this chassis, this Kuro King kit, is going to open up a whole new world of modeling for people who want to take static models and merge them onto their RC truck. So you'll see more action when I do the full build video. Hopefully it'll be up next week, and get some crawling videos.